G'day guys, Jarrad here. We've got Dirty Uncle Neal over there. Fit some PHAT Bars Rock Sliders to DMAX. Alright, so I reckon we'll be right with this as long as we don't have a beer until after we start.
Okay.
Fuck's sake. Alright, let's do this.
Alright.
Alright. Make sure you cut your fingers. Sensational. Look, we've even got a floor mat to work on.
Shiny.
Oh, we'll just chuck this on the carpet, eh? Sick. So PHAT Bars have been nice enough to send over a tidy set of sliders. I've gone for the angled for nice tight clearance, and then I've gone the checker plate on top, because in my experience, sticks and mud and stones can flick up if you've got gaps, so this will just help protect the sills and the paint. So, let's throw it on. Oh, I'm going in. Thank you. Yeah, 6, that's better, so it sits either side of the cross member. Oh. Which side? How's that looking? I think that is, oh yeah, that's the ticket. Come lay with me.
Thought you'd never ask.
Cool, cool, cool. So,
So I will edit that out.
that's what the sliders are here to protect against. So, cool. If you throw them in,
That's gonna go to you a bit more. It's just too wide here.
yeah. Sick. So bolt from the inside to the out. And if you just get it through, then at least it won't drop in our faces. Watch out for that fully sick factory exhaust. You'll have to, yeah. Get in the hole. Do you want me to spin on it?
Yeah. Tell me I'm a good girl.
Hot! Look, I don't want to jinx us, but this is actually pretty easy to install, eh?
Yeah. So far, so good.
Yeah. Because I thought there was like another bracket that bolts to the front cross member or something. Well, not front cross member, the gearbox cross member. But she looking good, eh?
Yeah.
Well, almost. Almost. Yum.
I've got it.
Just about. Oh yeah, there you go.
Do you want these other bolts through as well?
Should have washed the underside first.
Nah, it's more authentic. Plus.
Are you really working on 4Bs if you're not getting covered in mud?
Exactly.
All right, I'll grab some tools so we can start tightening these up.
Roger.
All right. Yeah, sick.
These aren't super tight, but they're just sort of nipped right up.
No, get them pretty tight. I shouldn't need to. Ah, shit in my eye.
Unless you want to shit in my eye. Man, I thought I knew a lot about you, but that's a new one for me.
Just gotta keep it interesting.
Learn something new every day.
Change it up a bit.
Can't wait to see that on one of your shirts. I play dirty, shit in my eye. So, what's the benefits of having, or the advantages or disadvantages of having the angled sliders as to flat sliders?
So angled because then it's more inclined to slide off stuff. Where's the stubby extension? Just real quick. Oh, thank you. But then you lose the whole steppiness of having sliders. So if you are a farmer or you've got a short missus or you're not so worried about forward driving, like hard shit,
Yeah.
then the flat ones would be the way to go because then you've actually got a decent step so you can get to your roof rack and whatnot easier. But the way I tend to wheel is kind of a bit destructive, so it's much better for me having this angled slider, which keeps it nice and tight as well, so you got more clearance in those tight spots. And then I can slide off things a bit easier. But it's also personal preference. I prefer sleek, tucked up look. Some people prefer both sides that they can stand on.
That makes sense.
Huh. Okay, other side. Oh, that's a bit shitty. Yeah, okay.
What?
I can see why they say you gotta do your sliders before you tank. So they got fuel lines and shit, which we'll just have to gently massage past.
Persuade out of the way.
Yep. All right. My side. Yep. Oh, look at that. Like I bought one.
Flattering angle. I apologise to our viewers.
Love it.
But
what else are we supposed to do? Work under a hoist? Ooh, that is a really shit spot. But I'm doing it. Look, Dad.
You got this, son?
You proud?
Yeah.
Words I never heard. Oh, this is real awkward. All right, what am I calling it? All right, I've got a washer stuck on a fuel line. Come on. Come on. There we go. Whoa.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, put it in.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, it's almost there. I can feel the hole. Oh, it's
Sort of
through.
holding that like I was doing something, but I wasn't really.
I appreciate the support, Neil.
I was there.
So for those playing at home, this rear mount on your fuel tank side, you can awkwardly get your bolt up between the chassis rail and the body. You go over the top, and you can twist your hand into a weird angle and contort yourself through. Actually, where's that camera? Let's get this bad boy up in here. Come here. So, body, chassis, you can awkwardly feed up in there and then get over the top. I don't know if you can see that really, but yeah, I've got the bolt fed through. There's enough room so you can play around. And then once you're actually through the bracket, you can awkwardly play around and try and see in the dark because it's bloody dark up there. And that's not really helping much, is it? Oh, these quality magnet mounts, mate. Whoever made them.
Should definitely get the Nobel Peace Prize.
Peace prize. Yeah, so, hand up, real awkward like. And then you can feed him through. Oh, super awkward. No, missed the hole. Oh, I hate it when that happens. I can like feel, oh, there it is. We're through. Okay, couple threads. And that's how you do it. So, yeah, awkward as heck, but very doable. Not after you put your long range tank in though. When you replace this bad boy, no good. Sliders first, that's why we're doing it now. Can I get the washer and the nut? That's the question.
You can do anything you put your mind to.
Oh, so inspirational. You really need to learn how to see with your fingers if you work on cars. It's a great skill to have.
It certainly wouldn't hurt.
Well, it could hurt because you could like poke something sharp.
Yeah, well, trying to screw a bolt up using your eye is not going to, not ideal, I wouldn't imagine.
That's true, very true. Oh yes, do that. Yep. No, that's good, you can relax now. That's all I needed. That's all I needed you for, Neil. You can go home now.
All right, see ya.
See ya. I feel about as useless as a spare dick at a wedding.
Yeah, well, that happens. That's how I feel normally when you're doing shit for me. I'm just the eye candy normally.
That's right. Mate, you're there for moral support, that's all I need.
Yep.
And entertainment.
Yeah, well, I try sometimes.
All right. Rock Slider 2 done. Now let's undo the other side. You all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sick.
So I always have trouble pulling out.
Yeah. You got the kid to prove it.
Yep.
Yeah, sick. So, thanks, Neil.
That's all right. Glad I could help.
Look at those fat bars. So as you can see, a bit of a gap because of the extra cabness. So they are made for extra cab with tray. Oh yeah, because we're talking about the canopy.
Yeah, but you and I talked about that. Did we do it on camera?
Did we?
So no, it's always good to have a second option. We can
try again. Well, if this has already been discussed, because it's a space cab and we've got the canopy booked in 2 weeks, 2 weeks to get the canopy fitted, that's why these are a bit shorter. So Phat Bars have designed them so that they'll bolt on, but have enough space so you can fit your tray and your on-tray toolboxes and whatnot. So it'll be cool as. Yeah, can't wait. Then we can fit the canopy out. AFN bar going on as soon as that gets sent from Portugal where they're made. Yeah, a few other bits and pieces. We've got carbon winch to go on. We've got GME, UHF to fit, which are waiting for the bull bar as well, so we can put that on. There was something else. Something else waiting for the bar. Grill? Oh, spotlights. Got some Altic 7-inch bodies to go on, which will be nice. Yeah, so thanks for joining us on our slightly intoxicated build session where we put the Phat Bars Rock Sliders on, and just the first of many in the build series. So we'll catch you around next time. Keep playing dirty. Cheers, legends.
Oh, yeah. You like that? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Yeah. Stick a rock slider on my chassis.